Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Miside Stay Ending. Make sure to watch until the very end to make sure you don't miss out on any of the important steps. Alright, let's begin. Indie games of all genres have set a new, high bar of introducing multiple endings for the players to ensure more freedom over their choices. Similarly, the new horror game called Miside, which has taken over the internet by storm, follows the pattern and has multiple endings for players to discover. Each ending has a significantly different outcome than the other, and acquiring them may require you to replay through some of the levels to change some of the decisions or errors you have made. Here's how you can unlock all the endings and what happens in them. The initial ending of the game, considered the bad ending, is unlocked after refusing to stay with Mida in the chapter Things Get Weird. Once the decision is made, play through the game normally till the end, and you will receive the bad ending. This ending also unlocks the achievement Is This the End? After refusing Mida's offer to stay in the virtual world, she will get violent and try to chase after you the whole game. While kind Mida will try to help you, she will ultimately die at the hands of crazy Mida. Before completing the reboot process in the final chapter, crazy Mida will mess it up and will keep you caged in one of the cartridges. Second ending is called Safe. To unlock this ending, you need to complete the game normally once to retrieve the basement code that is required to unlock the safe ending. Once again, you have to refuse Mida's offer to stay inside the virtual world in the chapter Things Get Weird and proceed through the game without modifying a thing. Reach the reboot chapter, and inside the basement, you have to unlock the safe with the code 4970 instead of following kind Mida upstairs. The outcome of the safe ending, for the most part, seems pretty much the same as the bad ending until the very end, where you discover an extra player cartridge in the safe. Once the protagonist pulls it out, you will return to the main menu. Third ending is called Stay. The third and final ending is something we all can agree upon, calling it the alternate good ending. To get the Stay ending, you must complete a series of tasks revolving around following Mida's orders before choosing the Stay option in the chapter Things Get Weird. And that's it, you are done.